Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn one simple and easy trick to make your Windows 11 laptop super fast. So there is one option inbuilt available in Windows 11 laptops guys. For this guys, just you need to open your Windows 11 settings. So use the shortcut key to open the settings, hold Windows key button and press I, so you can easily able to open your settings. Okay, in this settings guys, go to system, and in this system guys, just scroll down and here you can get the option power and battery. Just click and open that option. Okay, and here guys, just scroll down and here you can get the option power mode. Just extend this. From here you need to select best performance. After selecting this option guys, now your laptop performance will 100% increase. By using this option guys, it will consume more battery of your laptop guys. So to control this guys, just here you can also get one option battery saver. Just extend this and here you need to enable this option lower screen brightness when using battery saver. Just you need to enable this option. So with this help of option guys, you can easily able to increase the performance of your Windows 11 laptops. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple useful video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.